Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen and today I'm going to be sharing with you 10 clever space-saving IKEA products that are perfect for small spaces. If you're trying to maximize your space and really make the most of it, this video is definitely for you. I think IKEA has some of the best affordable space-saving products when it comes to organization, furniture, and really great dual-purpose products. If you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. I'm Kristen, interior designer and home decor expert. I'm sharing all of my designer tips and tricks with you to help transform your house into the home of your dreams through DIY projects, affordable home decor, styling tips, and home organization. If I can do it, you can too. Let's make our homes look and feel their best. Alright, so let's start out with a brand new product IKEA launched this year. This is something super innovative and perfect for saving space around your home. This is the Starkwind side table and air purifier. How cool is that? You don't have to have two different products now lingering around your space. They've combined the air purifier and a side table, so now you only need that one piece in your room that's doing it all. This table is a little bit pricier, it's $219, but it does save you from buying two separate pieces. This table comes in two different finishes. You can get the lighter natural wood with white detail or the darker wood with black detail. So they have two different color schemes to really suit your interior style. You can use it as a bedside table, a side table in your living room. If you're someone like me that just doesn't want extra pieces sitting around your home, then this is something perfect that you can integrate into your existing space. The air purifier is extremely quiet as well, so it's not going to disturb the atmosphere of your home, and it just adds such functionality to your space. So if you've been looking into getting air purifiers, you're also trying to furnish your space or redecorate, maybe consider this dual purpose piece because it will help save space around your home, declutter it a little bit, and really maximize the space that you're in. I found that a lot of small apartments and small homes really lack the dining space. It's almost like an afterthought. There's never enough room for a full table, and that's something that you really need in your home. So I found this table from IKEA called the Call Hall table, and this is a fold down table that actually stores chairs in it as well. Super genius, one of the best space saving products I've ever seen. It really does it all. This table is really cool because you can tuck it away in a small space. You can open one side up to really fit 2 or 3 people at the table, or you can open up both sides and really extend the size of your table. If you're not going to use some folding chairs, you can also just use this space for extra storage. The side panels actually have little pockets, so you can use that as extra storage as well. It's just an all-in-one piece that does so many things, and that type of product is perfect for saving space around your home. Now, if a 4-people dining table is still too large for your space and you're looking for something just to seat yourself and maybe your partner, then the Bursta drop leaf wall-mounted table is definitely what you need. This is something that you can install right onto your wall. It folds down flat and it fits 1 to 3 people. Small dining table is just $44.99, and I think it's perfect for really fitting into a small kitchen, an extra wall you have around your home, or even underneath your TV. So it's really versatile. It's extremely perfect for small spaces. It gives you that functionality of a dining space or a workspace, but doesn't take up any floor space at all. You can use this in your home office, your bedroom, a kid's room to give that extra surface space, maybe for drawing or working. This table is perfect for that itty bitty tiny space that you really need a dining space in. Now, if you didn't know, IKEA does have pet products, and I think a lot of their pet products are really cool, but this one specific piece is perfect if you have cats. If you have a cat, you know that those scratching, climbing towers can take up a lot of space in your home, and this little product does the exact opposite. This is a little scratching pad that can actually wrap around a piece of furniture, and it turns it into an instant cat scratcher. This is the Lervig scratching mat for $7.99, and I think this is just genius. It's a really flexible mat, so you can actually wrap it around a round surface, a square surface, really anything that it will fit on. So I think this is perfect for kind of putting under your dining table and turning that into a dual purpose piece. So if you live in a small space and you also have a cat, this is definitely for you. It really eliminates those big bulky scratching posts and towers and just simplifies it with this easy wrapping scratching mat. Let me know down below in the comments if you have a cat and if this is something that you would get for your home. Now, if you have an extremely small bedroom and you just do not have the space to buy a nightstand or bedside tables, you absolutely need this Fred Bang underbed storage table. These are just $39.99. They slide right underneath your bed. They can slide right back out and they hold all of your bedside table stuff. So maybe that's your books, your notebooks. When it's rolled all the way out, it even has this little compartment that can fit throw pillows and throw blankets. That way you're not scattering everything all over the floor. So it's a very well designed little cube that's on rollers that can just slide in and out super easily. And they give you that opportunity to have a nightstand without having that piece of furniture there. So having the option for them to be visible or be hidden away underneath your bed is just perfect. So if you're looking to create more space in your bedroom, maybe this is the thing for you. Maybe this is that piece that you've been looking for to really maximize your bedroom space. Now, an alternative way to maximize your bedroom space is with a new bed design. This is the Ikea Hems bed, and this is one of my favorite day beds. This is a single bed that rolls out into a double bed and also has storage. So it's such a versatile piece. It's something that you can use in your bedroom or you can use in a guest space or a multi-purpose space. It's something that you can kind of style into a sofa, you can style into a double bed or a single bed. So it really does it all and it's perfect for saving space. You roll it out at night, put it away during the day. The 3 drawers underneath are perfect for storing extra clothes, linens, your extra pillows. It's a great sleepover bed option. So it's actually one of my favorite products at Ikea. It does it all. If your small space cannot handle a full-size bed, this is definitely the product that you need. It's gonna give you that versatility, that functionality, while still maximizing your space completely. Now, when it comes to little workspaces around your home, you don't always need a full designated desk or designated office to create that workspace environment. Sometimes all you need is something like this. This is the Ekby Alex floating shelf with drawers. It's the perfect size to hold a laptop and a little notepad. It's that minimal workspace with additional storage that can turn into an instant workspace for you. You can install these underneath your TV, again, to be like a little media unit without taking up any floor space. You can also put this underneath a mirror and create an instant vanity. There's so much you can do with this little storage floating shelf, and it's just such a versatile piece. This piece is just $49.99 and can be that extra storage and surface piece that you need around your home. Now, as you've seen, multi-purpose pieces are such a great way to save space, but another great way is to use vertical space. Anywhere where you can kind of build up the wall and maximize your wall space is really gonna help you when it comes to storage and functionality. So one of my favorite things at Ikea is the Kungs 4 rod and hook system. This is something that comes in different finishes and styles now. They have gold, silver, black. They look so cute in a kitchen to hold utensils and little baskets. If you have minimal drawers and cupboard space, this vertical wall storage is perfect for that as well. I actually saw this little hook system being used to hold shoes, and I thought that was really cool as well. You can hang wet boots and shoes on the little hooks, and that way you're not puddling snow and water buildup at your door. Again, this is a product that you can use in pretty much any space around your home where you need some extra wall storage. This is just such a versatile piece to really maximize your small storage in your home. Now, another little accessory that you can get from Ikea to maximize your vertical hanging space is the Camping brass hook. This hook actually comes with 3 swiveling hooks in it. So it looks like it's one piece, but it can really hold a lot more. I love that this can be split out into different directions and hold umbrellas, coats, purses, bags. It can hold everything in one small narrow space. So you can line a bunch of these up and have a ton of storage, or you can just put one of these hooks up in a small space and create 4 hooks in one. This hook is $14.99. I just love the brass finish of it. It's very decorative, it's functional, and it just feels like a really good quality heavy piece. So it's perfect for really styling your space, but also adding that extra storage you may need. You can add this into your closet, your front closet, an entryway, laundry room. It's that tiny little thing that you can add to your home without taking up any space at all. Now, another really cool multi-purpose piece from Ikea is the Trustorp coffee table. This coffee table actually lifts up to be a little workspace, a dining space, and can fold back down into a regular coffee table design. It also has storage underneath, so you can store all of your books and clutter, whatever kind of gets left around your home. It will keep everything neat and tidy, but it also gives you that extra flexibility to create a workspace at your sofa or a little TV dining space. So if you're trying to get minimal pieces in your home, you're not looking for a workspace, a dining table, and a coffee table, you can simplify and get this one piece and it will do it all. You can paint it, DIY it to make it look even cooler, but to start with, the base of this Ikea product is super functional. All right, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I hope it gave you some ideas that you can use around your home. Let me know down below in the comments which one of these space-saving Ikea products do you absolutely need for your home. And if you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have your notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!